Fix Microsoft Excel crashes when clicking on a hyperlink on Windows 11 and Windows 10. And to fix this Microsoft Excel error in your Windows system, the first workaround is right click on start button and choose run command box. And in run command box, type Excel/save to open Microsoft Excel in safe mode and click OK. As you see, Microsoft Excel open in safe mode, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on a start button and choose Windows settings. Here from the left side, choose apps, installed apps, and look for Microsoft Office. Scroll down and you will find the option Microsoft Office. Right click on three horizontal dot and choose advanced options. Scroll down and go to, if this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. First click on repair, and if this app is still not working, then choose reset. The app's data will be deleted. And check whether your Microsoft Excel error, crashing error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Uninstall and reinstall Microsoft Office. Right click on start button or press Win+R shortcut key to launch run command box. And in run command box, type appwiz.cpl to open program and features in control panel. And here look for Microsoft Office. Scroll down and select it and choose uninstall. And after that, go to Microsoft Store and reinstall a fresh Microsoft Office on your Windows 11 and 10 system. And check whether your Microsoft Excel error, crashing error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Launch Microsoft Excel. And here go to File, go to More and choose Save As. And save this file as binary Excel format. Browse and save as type. Click on it and choose from the top Excel binary workbook. Your error, Microsoft Excel crashing error, definitely will resolve. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.